White's objective here is to make a living shape. Seems like there are many viable moves, but the option that's clearly correct is right here. Black will have to play right here to poke this eye out, otherwise White will make this eye and live very easily. And now all White needs to do is to stand down here. If Black plays from the outside, White can play here. If Black pokes this eye out, White can make an extra eye here. Black cannot come in. If Black plays here, now White can make this eye. And there will be no ko for Black to play, because White can capture Black this way. If number 4 is on the inside, then White can increase eye space in number 5. And this way, again, White will be able to capture Black in a bent 4 shape. It's a living shape. So that is why 1 and 3 can guarantee White's success. Feel free to try some of the other moves on your own. I'll show you a few simple variations. Seems like these will result in at least a ko, right? This will be a ko. It will be something like this. If Black wins, those will be bulky 5. Similarly, this one is also a ko. White will have to play here number 3. And we're getting to the shape of a ko. You can work out the details on your own. If I place here, then White will be dead. Right? This way, White will be dead. Or if we make this eye, Black will connect back. If White plays here, we'll still have the ko, right? Will still be this ko. Similarly, if White plays right here in the wrong direction, we'll still have this ko. The most interesting move is probably this one. This one really increases White's eye space. But what Black can do is to probably try to play through this ko. It's an approach ko for Black, so it's relatively easy for White to win, but it's still a ko nonetheless. So that is why number 1 right here is the only correct move. Hope you enjoyed this challenge, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.